Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you an easy Automotion tracking in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, we have our footage right here, and the effect that we are going to incorporate Automotion to is blurring this guy's face right here. So we'll be doing that as an example of Automotion tracking. So you can basically do Automotion tracking in the effects that allows that. So for example, you can do a blur. We'll be using a blur for this guy's face. So we'll be going for our effects panel and typing in Gaussian blur. This is what we'll be using, and we're gonna drag this into our clip. And then we have our Gaussian blur right here. And to do the Automotion tracking, all we have to do is go into the pen tool, or in this case, since we are just blurring the face, we'll just go for the ellipse. So we're gonna click on that, and then we're gonna go and reposition this one right here and make sure that it fits right here, so you can just adjust it like this. So in my case, I want it to be like that one. And then from here, what I'm gonna do for the Automotion tracking is simply click on this button right here and click on that right there, and we'll be able to see this circle tracking this guy's face. So when the person would move, it would follow the face of the person right here. And all we have to do now is basically just wait for this to finish loading. Alright, so once it's finished loading, you can see all the keyframes right here. So if there is some spots that you think is not correct, the mask is not placed correctly, then you can just adjust it right here. Go and position your playhead right here, and you can just adjust this like that, and if you want to do that. So now that we are done with the Automotion tracking, all that's left is to increase the blurriness. Right there, I'm just going to increase it like that one. I'm going to go for the feather right there, so it will not be so rough. And then when I play it, it's now like this. And just like that, we have successfully done Automotion tracking in Premiere Pro. Very simple. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.